Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to achieve financial freedom, personal development, and make money online. In this video, I'm going to talk about how artificial intelligence, or AI, will affect different business sectors and professions in the near future. AI is one of the most powerful and disruptive technologies of our time, and it will have a huge impact on the way we work, live, and learn. But what are the positive and negative effects of AI on different industries and occupations? And what are the best career choices in the age of AI? Let's find out. AI is the technology that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, or making decisions. AI can learn from data and improve its performance over time. AI can also create new products, services, and solutions that were not possible before. AI can have both positive and negative effects on different business sectors and professions, depending on how they use it and how they adapt to it. Here are some examples of how AI will affect some of the major industries and occupations in the world. Healthcare. AI can have a positive effect on healthcare by improving diagnosis, treatment, prevention, and research of diseases. AI can also help with personalized medicine, drug discovery, and medical imaging. AI can also reduce costs and errors in healthcare delivery. However, AI can also have a negative effect on healthcare by replacing some human workers, such as nurses, technicians, or pharmacists. AI can also raise ethical issues, such as privacy, consent, or accountability. Education. AI can have a positive effect on education by enhancing learning outcomes, personalizing instruction, providing feedback, and facilitating access to education. AI can also help with curriculum design, assessment, and administration. AI can also create new opportunities for lifelong learning and skill development. However, AI can also have a negative effect on education by replacing some human teachers, tutors, or instructors. AI can also create challenges for quality assurance, accreditation, or certification. Manufacturing. AI can have a positive effect on manufacturing by increasing productivity, efficiency, quality, and innovation. AI can also help with design, engineering, maintenance, and logistics. AI can also create new products and materials that are smarter, safer, and more sustainable. However, AI can also have a negative effect on manufacturing by replacing some human workers, such as operators, technicians, or engineers. AI can also create risks for safety, security, or environmental impact. Finance. AI can have a positive effect on finance by improving financial services, such as banking, insurance, or investing. AI can also help with fraud detection, risk management, and compliance. AI can also create new opportunities for financial inclusion and empowerment. However, AI can also have a negative effect on finance by replacing some human workers, such as tellers, advisors, or analysts. AI can also create challenges for regulation, transparency, or trust. These are just some examples of how AI will affect different business sectors and professions in the near future. Of course, there are many other industries and occupations that will be impacted by AI, such as entertainment, retail, transportation, or agriculture. So, what are the best career choices in the age of AI? Well, there is no definitive answer to this question, as different careers will require different skills, knowledge, and abilities in the future. However, some general guidelines are: choose a career that is creative, complex, or social. These are the types of tasks that humans are good at and machines are not, yet. For example, careers that involve art, music, writing, design, or innovation are likely to be more resilient to automation than careers that involve routine, repetitive, or predictable tasks. Similarly, careers that involve empathy, communication, collaboration, or leadership are likely to be more valuable than careers that involve isolated, individualistic, or standardized tasks. Choose a career that is adaptable, flexible, or lifelong. These are the types of skills that humans need to cope with change and uncertainty in the future. For example, Careers that involve learning new things, solving new problems, or exploring new possibilities are likely to be more rewarding than careers that involve following fixed rules, procedures, or methods. Similarly, careers that involve continuous improvement, growth, or development are likely to be more satisfying than careers that involve stagnation, decline, or obsolescence. Choose a career that is aligned with your passion, purpose, or values. These are the types of motivations that humans have to pursue their goals and fulfill their potential in the future. For example, careers that involve making a positive difference in the world, helping others, or expressing yourself are likely to be more meaningful than careers that involve making money, gaining status, or pleasing others. Similarly, careers that involve aligning your work with your personal interests, strengths, or aspirations are likely to be more enjoyable than careers that involve compromising your work with external pressures, constraints, or expectations. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on how AI will affect different business sectors and professions in the future. Have you experienced any positive or negative effects of AI in your work? What are some of the best career choices in the age of AI? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.